That's right. Come on, baby. Let's go, baby. A triple. Let's go. Yes.
Yes.
A triple, baby.
Triple. Oh, grenade. Fuck.
We gotta move back in. Listen. Watch this.
Things that's left over there. Oh. There is one. Run out of bullets, mate.
He didn't hit me. I'm gonna reload. Cover fire, cover fire. They didn't fucking get me this time. I'm fucking up.
You did
I haven't even died. I've been holding this spot.
Man, do you like Counter Strike, bro?
Bro, I play Rainbow Six Siege. Blue.
Blue.
As long as we're keeping away from them coming behind us, we'll be able to win this.
You like to want to go there?